Hello guys, so today I am dyeing my hair blonde, or I think I am, I don't know, I'm getting highlights. I'm eventually going to be like super blonde. I used to be blonde, insert pictures here. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get my hair dyed and I'm taking you guys with me. Alright guys, so I'm here. This is my hair now. It's super brown. There's blonde in this, so they're probably gonna have to cut off a good chunk of my hair. But this is my natural roots. It really blends pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, okay. So this is the finished look. Yes, it's not blonde. Let me explain. So I had like dyed hair previously. Like I used to be blonde and then I went brown, and then so yeah, I had like my dyed brown hair, but my roots were coming in like that much. So when she did the highlights, the roots got super blonde, but the rest of my hair didn't. I just honked my horn. The rest of my hair didn't get like, it didn't pull or whatever it's called. So she glazed my hair literally 4 times to get it an even color, which it's not her fault. Like, I love this color. I still want to be super blonde, but this is just the starting point. But yeah, it took really long. I got there at 2. It's now 6:30. So I wasn't planning on it being this long, but I didn't have any plans today. I never have plans, so it didn't really matter. But yeah, this is the hair. I'll take better pictures once I'm home. But yeah, I really like it. I just can't wait to be blonde. So yeah, I will see you when I am home. Okay, now that I'm in front of my ring light and have really good lighting, this is what my hair looks like. My hair was literally down to my belly button and now she's here, and it's insane because I've literally never had short hair. So it wasn't blonde. This title might either be clickbait or I might just say like I dyed my hair. But yeah, this is the final hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys liked my hair, and if you do, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you in my next video.